Uh, I'll introduce myself. I'm Hemant Mehta, having experience of agriculture business for 45 years. And I have served different fields. And I have started a 6-acre polyhouse in 96 near Talegaon, Pune district. And that time it was very new to India, and some big corporate sectors also entered into this field. And most of them are not successful, and they have get rid of all the people. I also face a lot of problem during that time, and I also incurred a loss that time. And because of land appreciation, I have disposed my project after 10 years and at least overcome some losses. So thereafter, I have started a business of construction of polyhouses. Since last 20 years, I am there in the same business. So what my observation, because I was a grower for 10 years and then in construction line, so I have observing certain problems, main problems in the polyhouses. Main thing, we don't have the crop, means the choices. It is a crop limitation. Nowadays, if you see that in vegetable, we are only doing color capsicum and cucumber. Flower, since 2 years, it has been totally failure and everybody has uprooted flowers. So flower is out of question at least for 2 years. So we have only 2 crops. So if we are not getting cucumber, people are facing problem because the production is so high. They cannot sell at a time 2 tons, 3 tons of the cucumber. So they are not comfortable. Second thing is a soil-bound disease. If you continue take this color capsicum, then you will face a lot of fungus problem, other problem. So, and we cannot change it over, no. Rotation is difficult in polyhouses. Third problem is of pollination. Because if we want to go for pollinated crop, as we have covered everything, no pollinator comes inside. Even there's no wind also. So self-pollinated crop can be taken up. That is also a problem. Then excess humidity is a problem, at least Konkan region or coastal region. So we cannot reduce the humidity during monsoon. If we want to reduce, then it is a so costly affair. Nobody would like to go for it. And also less light during monsoon and winter season also. Light problem is there. We are not getting a good light, so we don't get a good production. So noting down all these problems, what I feel, what I observe, now you must have heard of vertical farming since last 2-3 years. A lot of people are trying and doing, and some projects have been already established. So what I feel that vertical farming in the polyhouse seems to be the best solution for it, because we are focusing on tonnage, and means we can get a production multi-fold times easily. 100 tons, 150 tons of any vegetable or spices or anything. So if we are getting a good production, if the rates are less, there's no problem. Still we are having enough margin of say 15-20 lakhs easily. So that is a main means of profit. And we can have the lot of, where here we are having a limitation at present. There we can open a very big, means we can switch over to any vegetable, any spices, any oil seed or any crop. And for that, we have to open the curtains. Means I was discussing just now with Sandeep Jain. They have developed one automatic motorized openable curtain system. So if we do that thing, that pollination problem or that's wind pollination can be easily possible. So if we can come out with that system, it will be nice to have it. And in monsoon, we have to select crops. We can go for any kind of a seasonal vegetables or turmeric or ginger, 8 9 months crop, like that we can focus on the crop. Now I have designed two things, one for the polyhouse and another for net house, because a lot of net houses are also there in India. They are also not in comfort zone because they get hardly one good season. Monsoon, they don't get it because of continuous rains. Then winter, they get it good yield, but there's no prices during winter season. So only summer they get something. So that is a problem with net house also. So I have developed a design for net house and uh, poly house also for the existing thing, not new. New also we can go for it, but existing, a lot of existing poly houses are not in this thing, working condition or tension. So we can try for that this thing. So I have designed for the four layers. One 20 centimeter from the ground. Then second is a 130 meter. So we are keeping the 130-meter gap between two tires. So four tire can be easily made it. And we are putting a wire, means a polyester wire for 1.5 meter. And then we can place a grow bag on it. And then we can fill it such certain mixture in that, and then we can grow anything. For the drip inline also, or dripper, pot dripper can be also tried. So like that, if we go for it, so four layers are there. So minimum 50,000 numbers of bag can be accommodated in that 1 acre polyhouse. So if we get 2 kilo also, so you can easily get it say 100 tons, 150 tons of the production. Even turmeric, if we get 3 kilo, we will get 150 lakhs weight turmeric and 40,000 kilos of dry turmeric. That is also fantastic yield. So like that, even ginger can be also taken up, because ginger we can sell weight only, fresh. Here we have to dry it. So ginger is also best option for this thing. And even garlic can be sort of, even onion, potato, but there's no meaning growing a potato or onion in the polyhouse or this vertical, because a lot of areas there in outside. So like that we can focus it. And if we go for certain vegetables, the dwarf vegetables like any leafy vegetable, then cold crop like cabbage, cauliflower, say broccoli, lettuce. So that can be tried. Even if you want to go for the tomato, cucumber or gourd, then we can reduce our height and 3 layer. We can make it 6 feet height between 2 layers. So that can be also taken. So any kind of a vegetable can be grown. And if you are growing some basket, 3, 4, 5 vegetables, then marketing will be very easy. If you are growing only cucumber, then 2, 3 ton you cannot dispose every day. But with that 4, 5 other crops, 2, 3, 300, 400, it can be easily marketed. So that is also option for vegetable. And vegetable nowadays, online started. So this online, we are also purchasing at the rate of 40, 50 rupees easily. So farmers can get a better price at least. So this is I find that the good solution for, so now actually I have worked out a lot of things, but still because we are joining together and a lot of scientists are there joined in this group. So I want all the scientists to address the following problems, so that it will be easier for me to design a very economical model. At present, what I feel that we can easily make it within a 35 lakhs for the 4 layer of the polyhouse, and 25 lakhs for the net house 3 layer. So it is also difficult to arrange for the farmers. This is a big amount, and most of the farmers, some 30% must be bankrupt by this time. So no bank will support them. So that is also problem. So if you can look into it, my certain problems, what kind of what the size grow back for the which crop, how to make a mixture with say the soil, cocoa peat, rice husk, vermicompost locally available at economical prices. Then drip system online or a pot dripper should be taken up, and whether at a very low cost we can make it automized fertigation also, or timer we can put it. Side curtain I discuss if we can make that thing, so that will be wonderful. If we can open a side curtain, so that will definitely boost up all the vegetable production easily. And nursery also, if we want to make a nursery of turmeric or ginger or garlic, so the university people should support us. Nowadays, some tissue culture has been developed in PKV Akola of turmeric. So that also we can plant for the tissue culture plants. So we want to carry trials for this thing. If you can organize very small area of 500 to 1000 in your farm, in universities or ICR farm or another KVK farms. And if you can report to the government, then government also consider the subsidy part of this thing, because there's no subsidy at this moment. Subsidy is only for construction of polyhouses, not inside a structure or vertical this thing. And they are also having some limitation price factor. So unless you present to the government will not consider. Even bank people also, if you tell that we can easily earn 20 lakhs, 25, 30 lakhs. So bank also come forward for financing once again 35 lakhs, 25 lakhs whatsoever. So if you can help in this, so that it will be very good revival for the all polyhouses, which is in deep trouble throughout India, in each and every state, including Maharashtra, including Tamil Nadu, including Karnataka, you name anything, people are not in comfort zone. So that is there. So, Dr. Saab, that's it actually.